I want you to tell me about your Mini. What year is it?
It's a 1970 Morris Mini K.
Okay.
It's built in Australia, in Sydney. I've had it for 17 years and I finished it this summer and it's got about 700 miles on it now since the rebuild.
What's your favorite thing about your car?
The smile that it gives everyone when I drive it. I like how happy it makes everyone driving it, and it's also fun to drive.
So I love the engine work here. You did all the matting and everything yourself and all the wiring.
And the flip front as well.
And the flip front?
Yep. They normally have just the bonnet.
Okay.
Opens up, but then when I had it on a rotisserie and I cut the front off it, or I was stripping the paint off, I found that it had been in a front end collision and it was full of bog. So I cut the front off and bought new guards, front apron and bonnet and fabbed it all together, and then thought, well, this would be cool if it were just flipped up instead of just the bonnet. So it's a metal front all stitched together and makes it a lot cooler to look at.
Did you do all this yourself then? All
Yes,
the fab work, all the engineering and design?
Yep.
Super cool. I like how easy your oil changes must be. Just reach in and
oil, spark plugs right there.
twist it away, a little bit easier than getting the arms all dirty.
Yeah, mate, for sure.
I don't assume it takes too much oil.
Yeah, it does. It actually takes about 5.5 litres because the gearbox is in the sump. Okay. It's the same oil compartment. So yeah, it needs to fill up and cover the gears, but also lubricate the engine. So it's about a 5.5 litre sump.
How long has this car been in Canada?
2 years now.
Let's close the hood and take a little bit more of a walk around.
Sure, mate.
Oh, you got the boot open?
Everything has been redone. This is the original wheel size. That's the original wheel, 10 by 5.5. And the current wheels are 13 by 8, and I had to tub it out to fit those wheels in there. And that's a fuel tank there.
Fuel tank, yeah.
It costs $20 to fill it up. And so the interesting thing about the Mini is see how it's got the straps to hold the boot lid open.
Yep.
And the number plate is on a hinge. The reason for that is so that you can leave the boot open, fill it with suitcases and still have the boot lid open and still see the number plate. It was a legal thing to do back in the 60s.
Australian made?
Yep, definitely Australian made.
That sticker's a pretty important one there too.
Definitely built, not
built,
bought.
not bought.
Full stainless exhaust. All the lights are LED as well. Feel free to move the seat back if you need to. I'll come hop in with you.
Oh my goodness. So he told me to check out the roof. Did you have this done in Oz?
Yeah.
Yeah?
So when it was on a rotisserie, the Mini was on its side and the lady stood up through the passenger door here and painted the mural on its side.
That's beautiful. That's a nice throwback to back home.
It's got a quick shift gear in it, straight cut gearbox.
4-speed?
Yeah, 4-speed, all period correct inside. So pretty simple inside, just have lights, key, wipers. These are aftermarket seats and they lean back more. So with the factory seats, there's actually more legroom back then.
You could fit a normal human being back there.
Yeah, definitely.
Not for a long road trip.
This is a family car back in the 60s.
This is a family coupe.
Yeah.
Perfect. Well, again, man, thanks so much for coming out tonight.
No worries,
I appreciate it.
Nice to see you.
Thanks everyone for coming out to our second tuner night here at Wheaton Honda. It was a tremendous success. We saw some incredible cars, crazy cars I'd never seen before. You guys all made it happen. We raised a ton of money for the United Way and really looking forward to the next one. Please like, share, and subscribe. Follow us. We've built a new Facebook page, the Wheaton Tuners. Please check it out where you can keep up to date on all the upcoming events. We'll see you all in the spring. I'm Mark Tucker with Wheaton Honda, and it's always a pleasure seeing you at these events. Take care.